Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to braid cocoa twists, beginner friendly, and you don't have to strain your hair. So as you see, that is kinky fluffy hair. Any product can work as long as the hair is like that. That's what I used. So I started with braiding my hair, natural hair braids without any extension. I braided the whole head and it took me some few hours, around 8. It was almost the whole day, so I took a break after braiding the whole hair, the whole head. Yeah, as you see in the video, I braided, I braided. And so I later finished and then took a break. I left the other work of feeding in the extension for the next day. My hands were so tired, so here I had done partly. So now you can easily learn how to do the cocoa twist by feeding in partly of the other hair. I didn't use anything like oil, I didn't use anything like conditioner. If you want, you can first immerse your hair, the extension, in warm water plus hair conditioner to make it a bit shiny and easy to separate, to section. Yeah, but even though you don't do that, you can easily section that fluffy hair. It's easily done. So as you see, I fed in the extension. I braided from down, usual braiding. Then later on I finished the braiding and I started the twisting. It has to be loose so that the strand becomes fluffy. If it's not loose, it will not be fluffy, trust me. Then as you're twisting, you make sure that you tuck your hair in so that it doesn't look funny on your head. Your hair will be seen, and usually it's not the same color as your extension. So as you see, I finished the strand, and at the end that strand is not yet finished, but as you see, yeah, that's how I measured where I wanted my hair to stop, that strand to stop. So you tuck it in like that. Sorry. Yeah, that's how I measured. Stick with me, stick with me. So you have to finish it, you have to give it a good ending, a neat end. So that's what I was doing. Oh my, I was really tired. Yeah, so that's it. Trust me, it won't unfold. And after, yeah, you do that. Trust the process. I still had a long way to go. So this is me. I was about to get done, but as you see, I still had a few more strands to do. A lot. So that's how I feed in the hair with the hook. And after, I braid. That's how I parted. I'm sorry, my video is so messed, but this is my first video on YouTube with a voice over actually. So I had to arrange the videos and I think I messed this up. So that's how I parted the hair. Every strand, I parted three parts. 2 big ones and one small. Okay, so I had all that left, and later I was so happy with the fluffy hair. So later I finished. As you see, I was looking very, very beautiful with my hair. I chose to style it that way, but you can style it in very many ways. I'll share a video of how to style the cocoa twist. You can subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.